Dang. Yo, hit that front flip, yo. Bro, you alright? Bro, yeah. Yeah, bro. Me too, bro.
Not for real.
Dang, bro. Bro, he the truth, bro. K-Wolf out here, yo. Hit that front flip too, bro. And the side, bro. The area. You hit the area. Ah, don't you lie. Oh, that was sweet, yeah.
What up, my G? We bees the hottest out of NYC. Watch run through it, they gon' talk about it later. Playing with the birds like the Falcons and the kite. Playing with the 4-5 plate, that's my DJ.
That nigga really landed on his neck like. Hey. Hey. I'll see if I can do a little bit. But I'm gonna do free throw by the end.
I'm about to hit a lot though this time, bro. Yeah, I'm about to do it, bro. Dang. Yeah, check him out. More, bro. Bro, let me do that one more time, bro.
This nigga's too funny. Oh! Bro, I used to do like 8 inches back in the road, like.